In today's video, I will show you how to set a song as your call ringtone on your phone. It's simple and easy. Be sure to watch this video to the end and follow every step carefully. Firstly, open up your setting app and tap on sounds and vibration. Tap on ringtone. Here, these are all the songs provided by Android that you can use as your call ringtone. But to set a song as your call ringtone on your phone, you have to tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the song, all the song you have on your phone, that means in your phone. What you have to do is just to choose the song that you want to set as your ringtone. Just tap on it to preview. Alright, I don't want to have a copyright straight. Once you preview the song, what best suits you, just tap on done at the top here. And this song is already my call ringtone. Bring It On by P Square. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.